Did you know that only 0.1% of crypto holders actively participate in DAO governance? That's right. While everyone talks about decentralization, most people are still sitting on the sidelines, letting others make crucial decisions about their favorite projects. And with Shiba Inu's groundbreaking partnership with the UAE in 2024, understanding how to participate in the Shiba DAO isn't just an option anymore. It's your ticket to being part of crypto history in the making. This should highlight how far we are from the much vaunted decentralization. However, this shift could happen sooner than we think. Simplifying the voting process and providing educational resources are ways to raise awareness among crypto users, and our team is here for you and for this very purpose. Hey crypto explorers! I'm CryptoSky, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to become an active participant in the Shiba Inu ecosystem through the power of DAO governance. Welcome to CryptoSkying, where we don't just watch the crypto revolution unfold, we help you become part of it. Critical disclaimer: before we dive in, I need to emphasize that nothing in this video constitutes financial advice. What you're about to learn is purely educational content about blockchain technology and community participation. Always conduct thorough research and consider consulting with financial professionals before making any investment decisions. Let me tell you something fascinating. Back in 2016, the very first DAO was created, marking the beginning of a new era in organizational governance. But what exactly is a DAO? Imagine a completely transparent organization where every decision is made by the community, not by suits in a boardroom. No backdoor deals, no corruption, just pure democratic decision-making powered by blockchain technology. And Shiba Inu has taken this revolutionary concept to the next level. Since early 2022, the Doggy DAO has been giving real power back to the community. But here's the shocking truth: while thousands hold Shiba tokens, only a tiny fraction are actually helping shape its future through the DAO. Today, I'll show you how to stop being a passive holder and become an active voice in the Shiba revolution. Let's dive into the evolution of the Shiba DAO and how it's revolutionizing community governance. The Doggy DAO launched in early 2022 with a clear mission: putting real power in the hands of the Shiba community. And what a journey it's been! The first major vote in early 2022 was groundbreaking. Over 2,300 community members came together to shape ShibaSwap's future. Think of liquidity pools like community-powered trading centers. Through this vote, the community chose the top 30 trading pairs that would define ShibaSwap's growth. That's real decentralized power in action. Mid 2022 brought another crucial decision point. With 1,691 votes cast, the community made a strategic choice to preserve 20 million bone tokens for Shibarium validators. Now, if you're wondering what validators do, think of them as the guardians of the network. They're the ones making sure every transaction is legitimate and secure. But here's where it gets really interesting. The 2024 vote marked a major evolution in the DAO. Not only could bone holders vote, but SHIB holders finally got their say too. This vote decided to place 37.5 Ethereum in a multi-signature wallet. Imagine a super secure digital vault that needs multiple people to agree before any funds can be moved. And here's the exciting part: these funds aren't just sitting there. The community will have another vote to decide exactly how to use these funds for the benefit of the entire ecosystem. Now, in 2025, something unprecedented is happening. While other crypto projects are still trying to figure out their place in the world, Shiba's developers have taken a revolutionary approach. They've transformed Shiba's blockchain into something governments can't ignore. The partnership with the United Arab Emirates isn't just another collaboration, it's proof that Shiba has evolved beyond typical crypto projects. The developers have achieved something remarkable that other crypto projects haven't even attempted. They've built a blockchain infrastructure that governments can trust and adopt. This means if you're holding Shiba tokens today, you're not just investing in another crypto, you're part of a pioneering movement that's years ahead of its time. Want to be part of this revolution? Let me show you exactly how to participate. Head to SHIB.io, navigate to the SHIB ecosystem section, and click on ShibDAO. From there, you can connect your wallet and start voting on proposals that matter. Or, if you've got a brilliant idea, you can even create your own proposal. But voting isn't the only way to be part of the Shiba revolution. Want to help spread the message? Create an X account and start sharing official SHIB updates. Are you a developer? Head to the SHIB dev section on SHIB.io, where you can launch your own project, explore rollups, or dive into the technical documentation for Shibarium, ShibaSwap, and play with SHIB. Remember, every vote, every shared update, every new project adds to the decentralization of our ecosystem. The Shiba Inu ecosystem is growing rapidly, and you don't want to be left behind. The question is, when the next proposal comes up, will you be ready to make your voice heard? If you've watched this far, you're already ahead of most Shiba holders who still keep their tokens on mobile apps or exchanges. But that's not true autonomy, and it certainly doesn't align with blockchain's philosophy. Speaking of which, if you want to truly secure your Shiba tokens, check out our previous video, Protect Your Shiba Inu Coin Tokens. You'll find it in the final cards of this video. Trust me, it's essential viewing for anyone serious about their Shiba investment. By applying what you've learned today, you're one step closer to true crypto autonomy. Remember, full independence in the crypto space is a journey that takes time, but every step in the right direction brings you closer to the goal. We're here with the blockchain expertise to guide you along the way. This is CryptoSky, and if you found value in today's video, spread the knowledge. Share this with other Shiba enthusiasts who want to be more than just holders. Are you ready to be an active Shiba community member, not just a crypto tourist? Then smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep building the decentralized future, one vote at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.